Hello, fabulous artists. Today we are going to be drawing, I think he's called Yellow, from Angry Birds. He's the triangle bird. So we're going to start with a nice triangle in the middle of our page, like so. Once we have our lovely triangle, we're going to add his little angry eyebrows. We're going to draw two rectangles, one on the side here and one right here. After we do that, we're going to draw the top triangle beak. I like to start, with the upside down V, and then we're going to make a V for the bottom. After that, we are going to draw his eyes. So you're just going to draw a half circle, and then you can draw wherever you want him looking. Next, we are going to draw a little belly, like so, a little tuft with some zigzag lines on the end of his hair, and then some zigzag lines, like 3 for his tail. Now we have our yellow. Now you can have him flying through the air. I'm going to draw some nice clouds using our bumpy lines. Okay, so what I'm going to show you next is how to outline and color our lovely Angry Bird. Make sure if you have anything like crayons, markers, colored pencils, these are all great to use to color with. I have my crayons right here. That's what I'm going to be using to color this. Okay, so now we have the completed Angry Bird. Make sure you color it nicely, and I can't wait to see these. Let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite, red or yellow.